Hey you, yeah you, stop wasting money on decorations at the store when you could build them yourselves for cheaper. You're gonna need slate rocks or other aquarium rocks, super glue or DAP 3 silicone. You're gonna need a hammer, and you're gonna need PVC piping or another type of food safe plastic rings, and also sand I chose to use. After you let dry for a day, you're gonna realize there's spots that are not quite to your liking, so you can glue more rocks and let dry for another day. And then after that, I like to add glue and add sand all around it in the crevices. Just coat it with sand, let it fall into place, and then you have a generic but still adequately made fish cave. And I think materials, I spent like $12. I personally only had to purchase the glue. I had the rocks in my yard, and as mentioned, I got the rings from work and I already had a hammer. But these items don't cost that much at all at your local hardware store. You can buy one random piece of PVC piping for a few bucks and do the same thing that I done with this and make your own creations. I hope this video, if anything, inspired y'all to create your own caves and decorations. Get inventive. Don't spend so much money at the store, or just know that you don't have to spend $30 on some small little decoration, because you can make your own.